Today I'm going to create this makeup look. So for that I'm going to use this Blue Heaven primer. I'm going to apply it all over my face. I created this look like long before, but I couldn't post it. So yeah. So after applying the primer, I'm going to use this illegal color corrector because I have lots of dark circles. It color corrector helps in color. You know, the name itself says that it helps in color correcting. That means it color correct your eyes, under eyes, because I have dark circles, so I'm going to use this orange color corrector to hide those dark circles. So you can see I'm blending it with my fingers. Then I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade Sand. I have this shade which matches to my skin tone. So you can see I have tried this hack, like the Katrina Kaif which she tried na. That hack I tried and I blended with the beauty blender. You can see how I'm blending it. So this hack definitely works. For the concealer you will know how much to use and stuff. And this is the eyeshadow palette which I'm going to use. These are the three colors. So firstly, to the base I'm going to apply the lighter shade. You can see how I'm applying it. I'm just applying it all over my eyes just to even out the color. Then I'm going to take quite a dark color and apply it on my crease and the lids. You can see how I'm applying it. I'm taking a fluffy brush to apply and blend it. So to the left eye also I'm doing the same steps. You can see like light color first, then I'm going to take the quite darker color and apply it on my lids. So just apply it. Then I'm going to take this flat brush. I'm going to take this shimmery eyeshadow, take it on that and just dab it on my eyes. So why dab it? Like just dab and do the hands and forth motion, because to avoid the harsh lines. So you have to do that. So you can see how I'm doing it. So to the right I also, to the left I also do the same. You can see how I'm doing it, and it is very easy to do with this brush. This brush is especially used to apply the glitter things. Like just apply it, no need to drag it if you are applying the glitters. This is just a shimmery eyeshadow which I have used. So next I'm going to use this Blue Heaven eyeliner pen, which is which is very affordable and
just like how
kind
I'm
of my
doing.
favorite.
Then I'm
So I have
applying my
applied it
lashes.
with the hack,
Then I'm
and
going
I
to
will
use
show you
this
that hack
Essence
in
Canada's
some other video.
foundation in
And I
the
have
shade
applied the
Natural.
lashes also with
I'm
that. Then
applying
I'm
it
going
all
to
over
use
my
this light primer,
face. I haven't
sorry, light
applied any
foundation, that
concealer
is
or
from Faces
anything
Canada in the shade
as my base.
Natural. This is
I
one of
just
my favorite
applied the
foundation.
foundation. It
It
is
gives
one of the
medium coverage. It
nice
doesn't look like you
foundation.
are
It gives
wearing a
medium
heavy
coverage, not full
foundation
coverage.
or something. It
So
just
just
gives
blend it
this
with your
natural
beauty
look.
blender
So
or the
that's why
brush,
I love
however
it,
which
and
is
it
convenient for
matches my
you.
shade perfectly.
Just blend it. After
So
I
you can
take
see
this.
how I have done it. Then for the contour, I don't have this creamy contour, so I'm going to use this foundation from Pose. This is an HD foundation stick in the shade chocolate, and you can see I have tried this hack, and this hack video is in my channel. You can go check it out. This is a celebrity contour hack which I have tried. So you can see how I'm blending it. I'm blending it upwards. Then in the down part, I'm going to blend it in the downwards, like the niche wala part. You can see how I'm blending it. I'm blending it with a beauty blender. You can blend it with a brush, whichever is so convenient for you. Then just blend it, and if you want you can bake it also. And I just applied some powder, that's all. I didn't bake it. Then I use this contour stick from Inside Cosmetics, which is very easy to draw your contour. It is a creamy contour which I really love. It is affordable and easy to use. You can see how easily I am drawing the contour lines. So this is one kind of the contour which I had seen on internet and I tried this. So I'm going to blend that with the brush. So you can see how I'm blending it. I'm just doing the hands and forth motion, just blend it. Then after that I'm going to take the loose powder. You can see how I'm not baking it too much. I'm just applying it to cover those harsh lines. So you can see how I did it, and this hack gives this sculpting look. So yeah, what do you guys think? Like, you can see this pura video, like this hack wala video, in my short section. do check out. I will be giving the link in the description below. Then I'm going to take this loose powder, apply it all over my face, just so that my foundation is intact. So this is the look I created, and I really love the look. So what do you guys think? But I was not, unfortunately I was not able to take the video because some guest came into my house, and so yeah.